You know what Betty White is?
What?
Poor man's Hellcat. Oh!
Fuck up my dinner.
Fired up! Yeah.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy 392 Brown Bear back at it. Got my boys here. We got Platz Production, and we got my buddy Audie right here. Yep. So you know we got something planned for today, as y'all can see in the background right here. Something a little bit Betty White right here. I forgot. Let me go ahead and get y'all this kind of a cold start. It's not much of a cold start because I started already, but here we go. Hey, did y'all hear this? This man said his Tahoe back here is faster than Betty White.
Well, the funny thing is though. The funny thing is. Betty White right there. You know what Betty White is? You know what Betty White is?
What?
Poor man's Hellcat. Oh!
Hey, it's still a 6.4, bigger motor than the Hellcat. I just ain't got the supercharger. Soon enough, I will. But yeah, man, we got something planned for today. Don't know quite what we're gonna do. Let me show y'all some of his setup right quick. As y'all can see, he got a house note in his hand. In your hand, yeah. Yeah, look at that.
There you go.
Look at that. That's what I need for y'all right there to get this quality to where it needs to be for you. Oh,
what's wrong, man?
He tripping.
Catch.
Big tripping. Got the drone set up. You know, look at the back of the seat. Dope. Hey, if y'all want to see more on this Tahoe, man, he got the whole police package, man. Everything. You guys let me know. Let me show y'all a little bit. I ain't gonna show you too much because if you guys want to see more, that's another video for another day. Wait.
Yeah!
What are you doing over there?
All right, come on.
You like
Say
that?
Bye. Tell them bye-bye. All right, thank you.
All right, guys, we just got out here to the middle of nowhere. Get ready to set up for the dope video content I've been working on for you guys. Give y'all a little bit behind the scenes. Of course, you know Betty White. All three of us, 3 deep in Betty White. We got to get the drone to follow. Platz Production right here. Hey, shout out your YouTube channel name.
Platz Productions.
Is it Platz _ Productions or just Platz?
No, that's my Instagram.
Okay, shout out your Instagram.
Platz _ Productions.
All right, and that's our assistant right here, Audie. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get Audie to make a channel soon, y'all. You know, but as of right now, we like I said, behind the scenes. Right now, this man right here.
Alright, let's see. Test flight.
Yeah, his camera needs to be on.
Gonna do some test flight. My drone here. Make sure everything's working properly before we get busy with it.
All right.
Yeah, watch out, Audie.
All right, got the boys in the car. About to go fly this bad boy and get some footage.
I'm gonna try without crashing.
Yeah, try without crashing or hitting the 392. He hit Betty White. I'm gonna have to put him in Lakeland there.
God, I'm nervous. I'm supposed to learn how to use it.
Me too.
You too?
Yeah, fuck yeah, I'm nervous. You might hit my car.
It won't do no damage.
He might hit Betty White, y'all. You know, poor baby. She not old, but she knows she's a young version of Betty White. Nah, he ain't here, but we nervous because a lot of trees around here. First time flying the drone in the car.
Sitting in the car.
Sitting in the car, yeah.
So we'll see how that goes. Bum, bum, bum.
You want to do it on this road, or you want to go to where it's
Let's
like?
go to that straightaway.
Back there,
by the farm.
where we were just then.
You know what? Fuck it. We can do it right here. Well, let's wait till there's not so many power lines.
Yeah.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
GoPros for life. Hold
Yes.
on. Oh, now it's on.
It's on?
Stupid ass GoPro. The battery's about to die.
No, don't die on us.
I got more in the car though. Alright.
Ready.
I'm ready, bro. Fucking plug my damn goggles.
Oh, that'd be dope. Look at him over there.
Yeah. Alright, that's the back of your car.
Roll the windows up.
Alright, let's go.
Just got back from the first flight. Had to go digging through poison ivy with this guy. This guy right here is crazy. He said, "Y'all move out the way, and I'll show you how to dig through." You're not
some weeds, bro.
You're not itching?
Nope, but you're bitching.
Yeah, I am. I sure am.
Boom. See, done.
All right. Yeah, man. Me and Audie had to go digging for the GoPro and drone. Bro, I am itching. Yeah, so the spot that we were at, we were just on like this little twisty road just now, and we lost the GoPro twice. Got back in range of it, brought it back up, started filming again. But as y'all can see, this weather in Georgia, man, we can't get a break, man. Clear over there, lightning over here. But we're gonna try to find another spot right now and get some B-rolls and maybe some burnouts. I told y'all we're gonna burn these 245s up and put some new ones on here, so we'll see.
Babe, yeah, down. I can't relate. Sewn off in the clouds. I got that cake, down off of her say. Can I just say that popo ain't around? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get up on the track now, running like I'm bold.
Setting up at the second location. Gotta get Betty White and some good footage. We got Platz Production over here. Look at this rig, y'all. This is crazy. And he's controlling that with his phone. This is beyond.
Voila,
this is beyond me, sir.
Voila.
Got Platz Production over here. You know, like I said, this is behind the scenes. We can't give y'all the full story of what we're doing, but we're making the movie as usual. You know. Told y'all I'll be back, bringing y'all some fire content, and here we are, back at it again. Yeah, they got a wedding going on, y'all see? But yeah, so we gotta make this a little bit quick.
Huh?
Nah, you. All right, y'all, we got that part out the way. So got some footage out the way of Betty White over here at Chateau Alon. And it's a beautiful day, man. God. Told y'all, I know I'm taking a little bit long posting, but I'm trying to get y'all some better content, you know, better quality. I'm trying to get away from doing all the same stuff everybody else in this YouTube 392 gang, Mopar World car stuff is doing. So, you know, look at that, y'all. Look at the vinery. They make their own wine out here if y'all don't know about Chateau Alon. But yeah, like I said, be patient with your boy. We out here making a movie, and of course I'm gonna still stick to the basics, you know. Gotta do the car stuff, but you know, I'm still trying to bring like top quality content. Ooh, I'm out of breath. Your boy gotta work out. Yeah, I'm walking back over here to Platz Production right now to see what he got going on or whatnot, so hang tight. Yeah, we got Bari Entertainment. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. You know, he's out here filming. He do a lot of film work as well. Get my boy, like I said, get Audie to start a channel eventually. And Platz over here working as usual. Full of grapes for their wine. Hey man, we gotta do this more often. I like hanging out with my boys.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
We never hang out.
We never hang out. But that's gonna change though. It's a new year, man. New things, man. New beginnings. I finally got to work with Audie. But yeah. Like I said, it's your boy 392 BrownBear. Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy Platz Production. Subscribe. Hey, go ahead and tell them subscribe to the damn
Subscribe, like, share, comment, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, notifications. I better see the email that you did it.
All right, y'all, we just got done eating. Made it to the final spot before we end up off the video. It's been a long day, y'all. It's been a long day, man. It's been a long day. That's all I can say right now. I'm tired. I have a headache. We just got done doing a little bit more overhead B-rolls and all that or whatnot. But I'm gonna be ending this video out here soon. My head is killing me, y'all. So I'm doing this for y'all. Doing this for y'all, man. Thank y'all for supporting me. 392 BrownBear, yo. I'll be right back though. We're getting set up for the next shot. Oh.
I got no video footage.
Who are you?
Race 5. Fuck me. Fuck up my dinner.
So we're just trying to figure out why we don't have any video footage from the actual goggles.
Was working, Todd. Ow! Carbon fiber splinter. Pull that shit out.
Where is that?
Right there.
Where? Oh.
Grab it.
Telemetry recovered.
So what's it doing right now?
Lost. Telemetry
I have no video
Telemetry
footage.
lost. Telemetry
Goggles.
recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Fuck up. Restart.
Yeah, so the drone today is done. I mean, things happen. We crashed it, and we got no more video footage in its goggles. So initially, we can't finish because we can't just fly a drone naked because we're not seeing what it's seeing. That's what the goggles are for. But hey, it happens. It happens. We got some good footage today. So we're gonna just make it do what it do. And we'll see y'all next time.
Make it know what it do.
Yep. Hey, so how you feel about today?
Alright, disappointed with the this sucker.
Yeah, I told everybody the wire popped, so we lost video footage through the goggles. So
That is what happened.
things happen, but
right.
we got some good footage though, like I said. So
Come back with some more.
come back with like that's what I'm saying. A minor setback for a major comeback, you know. But he almost bought his soldering gun too. That's all we needed to get done. Piece of electrical tape?
Nah. Risking that, 'cause if I lose video signal in mid-air,
It's over with, yeah. So shout out to the footage man, Audie. You know what I'm saying? What you gonna name your channel when you started, bro?
I don't know yet, man. A few ideas.
Well, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, and we out, man.